Hello, and thank you for your interest in Decision Group's Lawful Interception Solution Suite. I'm Thomas from Decision Group, and in this video presentation, I will introduce you to the Lawful Interception process and how our Lawful Interception Suite meets all the needs of law enforcement agencies to conduct cybercrime investigations. Also, I will cover the training and services that the suite includes. First, let's start with the lawful interception process and the requirements of lawful interception. Lawful interception, or commonly called LI, refers to the court-authorized interception of network traffic from within a telecom or internet service provider for the purpose of criminal investigations. There are three important factors for lawful interception. First is the LI devices provided by Decision Group. Second is the interception point provided by the telecom network or internet service provider. And third is the warrant order provided by the court and contains the approval to intercept the traffic of the targeted user and the parameters in which the investigators need to function. Here is the basic framework of an LI operation. There are two physical domains in the LI operation. The telecom domain, where the traffic that is targeted is collected and intercepted, and the law enforcement agency domain, where the data is accessed and the investigation is conducted. In the beginning of the lawful interception process, the HI1 data, which contains the warrant order provision data, is sent to the administration function in the interception management system. The warrant order information is then passed to the network external interception functions, or the EIF, and the network internal interception functions, or the IIF. At this point, if the target subscriber is not logged on to the network, the system will wait until the subscriber logs on before intercepting the data. The intercepted related information, or IRI, is sent from the EIF and IIF to the interception management system, where it passes through the IRI mediation function and sent as HI2 information to the law enforcement monitoring facility. If authorized by the warrant order, the communication content will be sent through the CC mediation function in the interception management system and into the LEMF law enforcement monitoring facility. Also connected to the LEMF is the operations and maintenance function, which is in control of the system alerts. In order to standardize the LI procedure, interception equipment must be compliant with regional standards. ETSI and CALIA are among the most widely used. Decision Group's Lawful Interception Suite provides everything that is needed to execute LI operations. First is the iMediator, which acts as the interception management system and serves as the mediation platform. The iMediator from Decision Group supports the most widely adopted network interfaces such as Alcatel-Lucent, Juniper, Ericsson, and Huawei. Most importantly, Decision Group can customize the system to meet the customer's needs. The iMonitor is a multiple function unit that operates as the decoding and reconstruction center, the warrant administrator, CDR and CC correlation unit, and as the monitor system in the LEA monitoring facility. It provides utilities for law enforcement agents for data scoping, full text search, and primary link analysis. It also allows for case management, archiving, and system parameter configuration and tuning. Finally, the HTTPS interceptor handles HTTPS certificates, enabling the system to intercept, decode, and reconstruct SSL/TLS encrypted data. So, there are four modules that are included in the Lawful Interception Solution Suite: iMediator, iMonitor, the iMonitor EDDM, and the HTTPS interceptor. Let's look at LI deployment in different networking schemes. Here we can see the LI suite deployed in a fixed network. As you can see in the LEA monitor domain, Decision Group's iMonitor serves as the warrant administrator, and the iMonitor EDDM and DRMS can be used to analyze the data. In the Telecom Operator domain, we can see Decision Group's iMediator serving as the interception management system and the ED2S as part of the collection function. In a mobile network, the LEA monitoring system remains unchanged. The telecom side changes where the target data passes through the GSN MME server and a gateway for internet access. The Lawful Interception solution is available as a pre-designed package that includes 4 e-detectives, 4 HTTPS interceptor modules, optional voice over IP modules, 1 data retention management system, and 1 central management system. The package also includes operation training, network packet analysis training, and a cybercrime investigation training that is conducted by experienced law enforcement officials from Taiwan's Central Investigation Bureau and Central Police University. There are also customization services available to meet the customer's demands. The Lawful Interception Solution Suite is a full-spectrum lawful interception solution. Every module is designed to work together, and our training and consulting services are there to ensure competent cybercrime investigations from the first warrant issue to the final judgment. If you would like to learn more about the Lawful Interception Solution Suite, please feel free to email us at decision@decision.com.tw. Also, be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for all the up-to-date information about our new products and services. Again, this is Thomas from Decision Group, and thank you for your time.